Alright guys, it's about time that I do another one of these videos, all on skincare and makeup. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Yes? No? I'm getting ready to go to the gym, guys. Yes, I do wear makeup to the gym. I do. But it's minimum amount of makeup as I can possibly show you, and I am going to show you what I use in this video. So skincare is most important. I am embarking on 40 years. I'll be 40 in December. So my skin is beautiful because I care for it. Most important thing. So if your skin is not very well taken care of, no amount of makeup is going to matter. I mean, you want to enhance beauty, not cover it up. So I use Aveeno. I've been using this for ages. I'll say for years. I may be changing up. So if you guys have any suggestions, if you are 40 and up, I'll say 35 and up, and you have some skincare that you think that I should try, please comment down below and let me know, because I can change up. No big deal. But this is the skincare that I use. Skin brightening daily scrub is what I like to use, in a daily moisturizer. It has SPF 15. Not that I really need it, but this is what I use for skincare. Other things that I use when I deal with, I don't want to say adult acne, but sometimes I do have breakouts. It may have something to do with the food that I'm eating or that time of the month. So I use witch hazel instead of alcohol. I know some people use alcohol for breakouts and things like that when they, you know, pretty much pop pimples, and just use, I prefer to use an astringent, a different type of astringent. I think this is a little bit better on my skin. I use witch hazel to tone my skin as well, and to deal with any inflammation of my skin. And this is why I look like this. Ugh, what is that? It's just skin color. My imperfections are my imperfections. I like them, but there are easier ways that I cover them up. So let's get started. So I have large pores. I just do. I'm okay with that, but I do use a primer for that. There's two types of primers that I use. I use one by E.L.F. and one by NYX. They're different in their uses, but I really just put it right here, mostly here, because this is where my large pores are, and I just put this over my face. I keep it simple. If you guys are just learning how to put makeup on your face, or you're young and you're going to college and you just realize that makeup is starting to become something you want to get into just so you can present yourself a certain way, follow this video. Now, all I use is a powder and a brush. That's it. This is a brush from E.L.F. I love this brush because it's pretty large, and I use the Fit Me by Maybelline. It's the dark, color dark 40. So this is what I use. It's a loose powder, which is annoying for me, but I get through it. But this is all I do. It's a beautiful color. I like the way it is, and I just kind of push it in here, like, see. And the reason why I like this brush is because it gets my full face, least amount of work, and honestly, the least amount of product. I don't have to worry about, it's got good coverage. I'll just say that. I love this, but I like this brush because it gives me good coverage, all in just a couple of seconds. So this is all I do. So when it comes to my eyebrows, I use different types of eyebrow pencils. There's so many different types, but I think the most affordable one and works just as well is by E.L.F. itself. It has a dual, so it has the brush and it has the fine point on the end. This is something that I like to use for my eyebrows. So I keep it pretty simple. Just line the bottom, line the top, fill in on the inside, and then brush it out. Doesn't take me long. I like to find a color that's not so dark, so I don't use brown. I like to use like a light brown or maybe a deep dark brown for my color, because I don't like my eyebrows to be too stark. I already have enough eyebrow hair, I should say, that it's not thinning out that much. Sometimes I'll experience thinning, but it's pretty rare. So this is all I do with my eyebrows. I put that back on, comb that through, and that's enough for me. So a little mascara wouldn't hurt, just not a lot. I only put it on my top lashes. Sometimes I put it on my bottom lashes when I go out or feel like I need to look a little bit more polished. No matter what mascara it is, it's always Maybelline for me. I love Maybelline, as you can see. Hey, these are complementary colors. I just use mascara on the top lash because I'm going to the gym and I don't need it on my bottom lash. I like Maybelline because it doesn't run. Some mascaras run. E.L.F. mascara, I don't like it because it does run, and I'm just being honest. But Maybelline is just what I like better because it doesn't run. It's waterproof. So I just usually put it on my top lashes. If I'm going out or doing something else, I'll put them on my bottom lashes. But right now I'm just going to the gym. Keep that very, very simple. Got different lip balms. You can use whatever lip balm you want, but this is good enough for me. I feel like I'm polished, but I'm not afraid to sweat. So that's it, guys. Simple, quick gym makeup, first time back to school makeup, whatever you want to call it. I keeps it simple. I like it simple. The less that I'm using, the better I feel. The more natural I feel, the more natural beauty that I actually put across for myself, it comes across that way to others. And I get a lot of compliments on the fact that I have natural beauty and I don't look overdone or over made up or things like that. And I like those compliments, just to be honest. And I like the way being a minimalist and natural makes me feel as myself or as a person. So just wanted to throw that out there. I'm a big goofball, but either way it goes, make sure you go and check out my 2 other channels. You probably don't even know I have 2 other channels, especially if you just subscribe to my channel. I have a fitness channel that talks about everything on nutrition, fitness, exercise, mental health. Go check that out. New videos every Tuesday on that channel. You can also check out my fashion channel. I usually do videos every Friday. I'm trying to build that channel up, so if it seems like I'm just like sporadically doing videos on a Friday, just bear with me. But yes, I'm building that channel up, so that's all on fashion. I just uploaded a video for back to school, summer or first day of school looks. Just go check it out. I am a college teacher. I'm an educator at College of Creative Studies, so that's where you see me at in that video. Go check that out. Other than that, thumbs this video up if you've enjoyed it, you learned anything, you keep it simple. Do you keep it simple? I know I keep it simple. Thumbs this video up, share it, like, subscribe, comment if you need to, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, so this is what I do when I need a thumbnail for this video. I just do the video and then I just... Thanks for watching, guys. I will be live this Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be talking about my natural hair, what products I use, and all of that jazz. Make sure you click the link for a reminder. I'll see you guys in the next video. I already said that.